How to create an AI company website on squarespace.com. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to step by step create a website for your AI company. So guys, it may sound difficult, but in fact it's really easy to do, and I'll show you how right now. So all you need is to create an account. It would be a first step. As you can see, I have already made one, and the next thing, as you can see, I have already made a couple of websites, but let's create a new. Click on create a website button. Okay, so here you need to add tick on your type and on topic of your website, and you will see the best match of your template right here. As we understood, we are going to create a online store. No, we would not create an online store. We are creating an AI company website. So we just here on topic you choose the best one. So for example, the professional services. Here are the templates for the professional services already, but we would like to add that it would be for example an online store, and we also need to add that it would be for example, okay, so here are the best matches. The best matches here are two of them. For example, we would lose a click on online store, but we would like to have a lot of templates to choose, and here you just choosing the best one, the best you really like. For example, I don't really like one of those. I'm just going to see another topic for our website. We need something digital here, but I don't really see a topic of digital. I see entertainment, collaborations, all templates, art and design, photography, health and beauty, local business, community and non-profits, food, entertainment, travel, restaurants, media and podcasts, events, weddings, real estate and properties, home and decor, nature and animals, and fitness. So the professional service suits the best for our website. I'm going to choose from those templates. Okay, so for example, I really like this one, so I'm just going to click on it, and here I can change the color presets of this website. So for example, the main colors are orange, black, and nude yellow. I would like to choose it, change it, for example. Okay, so I would not change it. This one looks great, so you just click on start with this design. Okay, so it's going to prepare a dashboard for us. You see in seconds what is the dashboard. Here it is on the left side of the website, and the next step, we need to create a name for our website. So we just going to type AI company. Okay, so it's going to tell us how to sell products, how to edit your website, but I'm going to tell you by myself. So as you can see, our website is here. We can see right now the home page of our website. You can choose, you can see all the pages right here in the, okay, so course introduction, become a contact. Let's see what this page will give us. Okay, it's Pay Vault. It's going to load a bit. Okay, so here it is, the page, become a contact expert. But let's see. Okay, so this website is currently selling the course, how to become a content expert, but we don't really need it. We just hit back to the home page, and I'm going to show you how to edit it. Okay, so let's look to the dashboard. We can see the website, styles, assets. We can see also settings of our website, marketing, contacts, analytics, invoicing, content and memberships, donations, and scheduling. Here you can see the desktop view and the mobile view, how it would look like for your clients on the mobile phones. As you can see, everything is scaled up and looks great, I think. So let's move forward to how to edit this website. So you can see this button, edit. You just click on it, and now we are in the editing page. So as you can see, every page is divided into sections. We can see a header, we can see the footer, in the end here is the footer, and the main sections. For example, I don't really like this section with this guy. No, I don't like this one. Still have questions? Let's chat. You just click on remove and it will be removed in seconds, as you can see. So if you want to add a section, just click on this button and choose a section from a lot of sections. So for example, we would like to add a section with products. Here is our section with products. Okay, we have edited it here. We can edit this section, create, as you can see, our background right here is orange, here it is gray, and here we don't really suit this one. So we just can edit this section, change the colors right here. You can change it to orange or to gray. Okay, so the gray looks better. Here you can just change a picture. You can change everything right here, the buttons, the text. For example, in the first section, let's change these words. Turn your business with our AI product. Okay, so it looks great enough, I think. Turn your business with our AI product. So here you can change the pictures of all these people if you don't really like them. Then if you're already editing this page, you just click on save and then click on exit. So your site is ready, and to properly use it you need to upgrade your plan. As you can see, your website will be on a trial for 14 days, but now then you need to upgrade it. So I'll show you the upgrade plans that Squarespace is offering us. The first one, the cheapest one, the personal, it costs $16 per month. The most popular is the business one, it costs $23 per month. The next one is the commerce basic, it costs $28 per month. And the last one is the commerce advanced, it costs $52 per month. Okay guys, so if you have known something new from my video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.